everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, I'll be fishing with realistic dragonflies created by Captain Ken. These dragonflies get the job done. So let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video here. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I was kind of off the air for a week or so, and I want to say a special thank you to Shannon and Rondell for checking on me to make sure I'm okay. And the reality is I am okay. I just had to take a little bit of time off for a moment and kind of recalibrate some things and look at what I'm doing here. And so I just wanted to say first and foremost, thank you guys for checking on me. And we're going to start back doing our videos now here again. But also, special thing here, I need everyone's help on here. I did a little deep dive into my YouTube analytics. And what I found out is that there is a bot, a B-O-T, a bot that's actually connected to my account. And this bot actually hits dislike on every video that I drop. No matter what video it is, whether it's a lure review or fishing, they always say dislike. And I'm currently having YouTube investigate that right now because there's something wrong with that. And here's the reason why. Because if it was a real person that disliked my video, then they should dislike and also leave a comment below and tell me why. And YouTube is believing that it's a bot that's automatically doing that and creating that situation on my account. So they're doing their investigation to figure out who or what it is. But until then, they said the best thing for you to do is to make sure everyone is liking your videos. So here's what I need everyone to do. If you've enjoyed my fishing videos, my lure review videos, and you watch them and you like them, please hit the like button. Hit the like button, because that's how we deal with a bot. Like I said before, if it's a real person who has a problem, then they should leave a comment below and face off with it and man up about it. But it's a bot, and you can't do anything when it's a bot but deal with bots, and the only way you can is through technology. So please leave a like below. If you've enjoyed my past videos, any of my videos, be sure to hit the like right now. Just hit the like right now, and then we'll be all set, because that's really the big thing. Plus, likes help me as well. Also, likes will be a part of you being a part of the giveaway. So please hit the like button. Now, on to the video that we're going to be doing here, which is bass fishing lures for spring bass. Well, we're going to be fishing with dragonflies. And these dragonflies here are made by Captain Ken. And he's a dragonfly designer and creator of Topwater lures out of Florida here. I'll leave his description and information in the box here. But he really does create some really cool and unique dragonflies that catch bass. And so in this video, you're going to watch me fishing with his dragonfly lures, catching bass. And then what we're going to do after you watch the video is I'll come back, I'll show you a closer look of it, give you my final thoughts, and then share with you what the next coming lure review will be. So for right now, let's go ahead. Be sure to hit the like button, and let's go ahead and watch the video. All right. There we go. There we go. On the damsel. On the damsel. On the damsel. On the damsel. Got him. Snap the pole. Well, I got him, everybody. I got him. I got him. On the damsel. Look at that. Snap the pole. Look at that. Look at that one right there, y'all. Look at that. On the damsel, on the fly. On the damsel, he hit that one. Woo! That is incredible. First hit, I broke my little pole, but I got him, hooked him right in the mouth. Once again, everybody, check it out. A nice 3-pounder right there. Oh my goodness. What a hit. Right here, right on the edge right here, man. On the fly, man. Big fish, man. Big 3-pound fish right there, man. All right. There we go. There we go. On that dragonfly. On that dragonfly. Woo! Had to do it. Had to run that. As you can see, everybody. Oh, had to bring out the dragonfly. As you can see right there, there's that dragonfly. Had to do it. They were hitting it, so I had to put one on them. All right. There we go, everybody. On that dragonfly. Had to get that one, so that was a good one. All right. There he is. On that dragonfly. Had to get him. There we go. Woo! There we go. On that dragonfly. Woo! He had to have it. He had to have it, everybody. Look at that. Totally inhaled it. Totally inhaled that. That dragonfly right there. Wow, what a hit. Look at that. Totally. Look at that. Look at that. Totally inhaled that dragonfly. That was a great hit. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here. Look at that one right there. On that dragonfly. They're out here hitting dragonflies, so I had to put it out here on them. Make it work. All right. There he is. On that dragonfly. Nice, healthy, 1.5-pound bass. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here, and for those who don't already know, I'm fishing with Captain Ken's dragonflies that he designs and creates, and they are totally matching the hatch out here on these dragonflies. So these last couple fish you saw me catch, it is incredible. Those dragonflies are so realistic, and they really put into work. So I'm really happy I got them, those Captain Ken dragonflies. I'll always be sure to put the link to his website in my description box. All right. Well, okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that video of those dragonflies. What we're going to do right now is we're going to do our closer look at the dragonfly so you can get a close-up look at this dragonfly and what makes it so special. So let's do our closer look right now. All right, everybody. Here is the dragonfly. Just want to give you guys a closer look at the dragonfly here. As you can see, the hook is in the back right here to hook them. Weed guard right here protects it. There's also another hooking mechanism in the front to hook them if a fish decides to take the entire dragonfly lure down. As you can see, there's a lot of detail in the actual wings itself. Flip this over for you guys so that you can see that on the bottom here, as you can see, He's got weed guards, 2 weed guards that go right here. A lot of little tentacles right here to create a very realistic looking dragonfly lure here. One of the most realistic that looks on the marketplace. Also, I want to show you this one. This is the newest one that I got that I'll show you. This is another one by Captain Ken, pure dragonfly, as you can see right here. The wings, lots of detail in the wings. It's got a rotating stinger hook in the back to help improve your short strikes, weed guard. No extra hook in the front of it, as you can see right here. But it's really designed for when those bass are doing a short strike on your dragonfly lure. And as I said before, this lure is made and designed by Captain Ken. So there you go. Okay, everybody. Well, there was your closer look at the actual lure itself there. So what I want to do, kind of give you some specs on it as well here. First and foremost, this lure is probably about 2.5 to 3 inches long in length, plus the actual stinger hook at the bottom here. And this is really the bigger versions of this lure right here. And here's the thing about this type of lure right here. This is a handmade lure by Captain Ken. So when it comes to pricing will be an investment here. Now, the price can fluctuate in the sense of like whether you want what they call a big dragonfly lure or you're looking for the smaller version here as well. So he has different sizes, different versions. The price, and I paid $49 for my lure. Now, here's the thing. Every lure has a different price point to it. He could be updating prices, I'm not sure, but I just want you to know that this is more of an investment of a lure, but it's worth it, given what it can do and what it will do for you on the water. So it's definitely an investment, but it's one that I feel it's really worth it because of what it can do for you as a fisherman. Now, for me, I fished this actually on a 7-foot rod. I actually used 20-pound braid, and it's a spinning tackle. And that's what I'll fish it on. Now, the smaller one, I can drop that down, still using the 7-foot medium rod, but I'll use 8 to 10-pound braid on that one as well. But I'm always fishing it with braid because of the fact I'm throwing it in lily pads, I'm throwing it in cover. Even if I'm doing open water, I still want to have that confidence of that braid. So if they take it, I know I can get them in and I can get it back. So I just wanted everyone to know just a little bit more about the specs on the lure itself. And when you go over to his site, you'll see a variety of dragonfly colors, a variety of styles. It's worth it. So I want everyone to go over and please check him out as well. Now, also, along with coming up next is a review of what's called the, check it out, the Lunker Hunt Easy Prey. And this is a jointed, kind of a jointed small bill little crankbait here, but it actually floats. So it's like a slow float. And that's why I liked it, because of Topwater. And it kind of undulates in the water on its side like a dying shad or dying fish. And so as you can see right here, I ended up getting one that was more of a shad pattern right here. But there's also a bluegill one as well, and I'll probably get that one as well. But it looks like a dying fish on top. And so I'm really excited about fishing that lure. Coming up, you'll get a lure review on that one as well. I'll even show you some testing I did on it as well. And it's pretty exciting there. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were kind of up to date. Got some more lures that are going to be coming in. I'm going to be doing lots of little finesse fishing here as well with some smaller, tiny topwater lures that I think you're really going to like and enjoy as well. And that's really what's going on at this moment right now. Like I said earlier in the video, I've got a bot on this page here. In other words, that's constantly hitting dislike. I truly need you to hit the like button. Now, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. But I do need you to hit the like button because it does help me deal with the algorithm and deal with this issue that's being investigated. So I just wanted to kind of, once again, remind everybody that this is your way of helping me grow the channel. And I do appreciate each and every one of you here. So at this point, that concludes the video. So I just want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when you hit those topwater lures, especially when it comes to dragonflies, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.